Transurfer and welcome to Transurfing TV. I am Renee Garcia and this is my video on the comfort trap. This is a valuable video if you are feeling like there is more life to be had and maybe you don't understand exactly how to go about expanding up on out of yourself, right? I mean, pendulums sort of convince us or give us the benefit or the gift of comfort to allow us to stay locked in. This really is very prevalent in the professional realm, right? A job that pays the bills, but isn't quite as satisfying as something else you would like to do, but you don't want to, rock the boat or disrupt things because you are comfortable. I mean, I hear so many people come to me and say, God, I want to do something, or I want to do this, or I want something more, but I don't know why I can't take that first step. And you are in the comfort trap. That is what I broke out of. That's what my partner broke out of in a massive way. He quit a 20-year corporate career to become an entrepreneur. And he just said the other day, he is the happiest he has ever been in his life, but he had to make a jump. So this quote, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Oh my God, it is so unbelievably true. And once you take that leap and you decide, or you don't even have to take the leap, right? That's a little bit premature, but you intend to push yourself a little bit further and expand beyond your comfort zone in a direction of something bigger and higher than what you have right now, life really seems to just open up and start handing you more life, more life. So I'm going to talk to you today about how to really start to acknowledge the places in your life that you are compromising because of the sake of comfort. We all do this in one way or another. Our primary places we do this are obviously the professional realm, with relationships, right? This is a big one, being in a long-term relationship that's no longer working, but it's comfortable and you don't want to rock the boat. That's a really big one. The place where you live, your everyday life. And the thing about creating your own reality, and I've said this a lot in regards to life tracks or lifelines, sometimes all of what we can access, we have accessed on our current life track, and there's nothing left to be had. You've tapped it out, right? So if your reality is starting to look redundant or mundane, or you feel like you're in Groundhog Day and you're not expanding out of yourself, you're not growing, you're not experiencing new things, and you feel as though you may be stuck, you are stuck because on that current life track, you have already experienced the set and decorations and opportunities and doors and all the stuff that makes up a life track. So in order for you to create new material, create new opportunities, find new goals, meet new people, network, all that kind of stuff that is going to help you connect with something outside of your comfort zone in a higher life track, a higher version of yourself, a higher purpose, you are going to have to mix it up. And this is absolutely at the get. It is frustrating because you have to push through something that is challenging and uncomfortable. So in my world, I like to maintain a constant state of discomfort. And I know that sounds weird because as transurfers, right, Vadim tells us often in the book, pay attention to your inner state of comfort or discomfort to help you, to help navigate, to those higher tracks. So I don't want anyone to get confused here. I'm not telling you to go against something that your heart is saying, hey, this just doesn't feel right. What I'm saying is to push past that comfort zone of your mind. So these are two different places that have an interpreted view of discomfort. So the discomfort from the heart and soul is your soul telling you that something is not for you. The discomfort of your mind is your mind trying to maintain what it currently has now, because remember, pendulums and the mind, those two are like buddies, right? The pendulums sort of get in there and they start getting your mind to really agree with that script or that version of reality or those limited beliefs, right? Well, you can't do that. That's not for you. That's for other people. And what you need to do is you need to just sit right here and continue to do what you're doing because it pays the bills, or because you have a 10-year marriage that you don't want to give up, or you can't sell all your belongings and go travel the world for 2 years, because that's not a wise choice, right? That is pendulums putting into your brain what it is they need from you, right, in order for you to stay attached to them. This is family stuff. Again, relationships, professional stuff, sense of duty, community, things with friends, and it is all about keeping you locked in to a place where you want to maintain that sense of comfort, that level of comfort, that layer of comfort. So what I like to do, again, getting back to my original statement here, I like to maintain a slight sense of discomfort always. Like I am always pushing through something to challenge myself, to get to the other side, to see what lies beyond that threshold that I need to push through. And as I do that, I am feeling myself growing in my power. I'm feeling myself growing in my abilities. I feel myself growing in I can tolerate stress a lot more. I can really take on a lot and juggle all the different things that I'm doing, and it's a slow build, right? It's a slow build. So now, looking back on, let's say 2 years ago, where I was 2 years ago, and I was easily stressed out. I really only wanted to do one thing at a time. I was comfortable, right? I had my little house and I had my life set up the way that I wanted it. But I felt like there was some work to be done, but I needed to push through in order for me to start on this journey. So in doing this, I have been actively connecting with my higher self that can take on more and see better results. But really, the bottom line is that my life is better. My life is juicier. My life has more meaning. I'm having more fun. I am on a permanent adventure. So this is what the pendulums don't tell you, right? This is what the pendulums don't tell you. They don't tell you that the comfort zone is a trap. And does it have some benefits? Absolutely. But what lies outside of the comfort zone is way better than what lies inside of the comfort zone. So how can you challenge yourself today to push past your comfort zone? This is why I created the 30 Anomalous Action Challenge. This is you taking one step every single day, making a commitment to take one step every single day outside of your comfort zone. And what this does is it opens up your reality. So remember what I was talking about with the life track sort of being stale and everything that can be tapped has been tapped. when you make a commitment to take one step a day outside of your comfort zone, you start to mix it up. All of a sudden, you may see a new goal. You'll see doors if you have a goal. You will meet new people. You will experience new things. And all of a sudden, you are pulling more information and material and events and opportunities onto your life track, or you are completely transporting yourself to another life track. This is how you climb, right? This is how you climb. So let me know your thoughts on this video. How can you take a step outside of your comfort zone today? Are you in a comfort zone that you feel is suffocating you? And what can you do to expand out of that comfort zone? What step can you take to expand out of that comfort zone? So remember to like this video and comment below, I love reality transurfing, to enter my daily giveaway now for some of these awesome reprogramming stickers. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Bye.